Here's how to program a HomeLink button in your vehicle to your Guardian garage door opener.
First, make sure that your vehicle is parked directly outside of your garage and is lined up with your garage door opener. Locate the HomeLink buttons in your vehicle. Sometimes they're up here on the ceiling. They can also be on your visor, or they can be on your rearview mirror. Once you locate the buttons, the first thing you're going to want to do is reset the system. To do this, you're going to press and hold the two outside buttons until the indicator light begins to flash. And this could take up to 20 seconds. So press and hold. Light turns solid. I'm gonna keep holding. Light flashes. I can release and they're cleared. To program the remote, you're going to want to press and hold the HomeLink button and the button on your remote until the red light flashes rapidly. So we're going to press and hold both at the same time. Now it's going to flash slowly, and now it flashes rapidly, and now we can release. And now when I press my button, it's programmed. Now in the case that I had pressed this button and the light flashed rapidly for 2 seconds and then just turned solid, you have to complete one more step to finish the process. What you need to do is locate the Learn button on the back of your Guardian garage door opener. You're going to press that button. Then you have about 30 seconds to come back to your vehicle and press the Train button for about 2 seconds and then release. And you might have to do this up to 3 times to get the button to program correctly.
If that still doesn't work, or if you have any other problems with your garage door or garage door opener, please contact us today. We can help.